Welcome back to our channel. If you're considering studying abroad, you're probably aware of how exciting and challenging the admission process can be. Today, we are diving into the international student admission processes to help you navigate each step smoothly. Whether you're applying to universities in the US, the UK, Australia, or anywhere else, this guide will cover everything you need to know. Watch till the end for better understanding. Let's get started. Please consider subscribing to the channel if it has helped you in any way. We have 6 segments in this discussion. Segment 1, Researching your options. Segment 2, Preparing your application. Segment 3, Application submission and fees. Segment 4, Visa and immigration requirements. Segment 5, Preparing for departure. Segment 6, Tips for a smooth transition. Segment 1, Researching your options. The first step in the admission process is to research your options thoroughly. Choosing the right country and university. Consider factors like the quality of education, location, cost of living, and cultural fit. Research universities that offer programs aligned with your academic and career goals. Look into their rankings, student reviews, and available resources. Understanding admission requirements. Different countries and institutions have varying admission criteria. Be sure to check the specific requirements for your chosen program. Common requirements include academic transcripts, standardized test scores like SAT, ACT, GRE, or GMAT, language proficiency tests like TOEFL or IELTS, recommendation letters, and a personal statement or statement of purpose. Segment 2, Preparing your application. Once you've selected your target universities, it's time to prepare your application. Gathering documents. Collect your academic transcripts and ensure they are translated and notarized if required. Obtain standardized test scores and proof of language proficiency. Writing your statement of purpose, SOP. Your SOP should reflect your academic background, your reasons for choosing the program, and your future goals. Be clear, concise, and personal in your writing. Obtaining recommendation letters. Request recommendation letters from teachers, professors, or employers who can vouch for your academic and personal qualities. Provide them with enough time and information to write a strong letter. Segment 3, Application submission and fees. Next, submit your application and manage associated fees. Online application portals. Most universities use online portals for application submission. Follow the instructions carefully and double-check all information before submission. Meet all deadlines, as late submissions are generally not accepted. Application fees. Be prepared to pay application fees, which can vary by institution. Some universities offer fee waivers for certain applicants, so check if you qualify. Segment 4, Visa and immigration requirements. Securing a student visa is a critical part of studying abroad. Acceptance letter. Once you receive your acceptance letter, you can begin the visa application process. This letter is often required to prove your admission to the country. Visa application process. Research the specific visa requirements for your destination country. Common documents include your passport, acceptance letter, proof of financial means, and health insurance. Some countries may require a visa interview or additional documentation. Be sure to prepare thoroughly for this process. Financial proof. Many countries require proof that you have sufficient funds to cover tuition fees and living expenses. This could be in the form of bank statements, scholarship letters, or financial guarantees. Segment 5, Preparing for departure. As your departure date approaches, make sure you're well prepared. Accommodation. Arrange your accommodation well in advance, whether it's on-campus housing, private rentals, or homestays. Confirm all details before you leave. Travel arrangements. Book your flights and plan your travel itinerary. Ensure you have all necessary travel documents, including your passport and visa. Pre-departure orientation. Attend any pre-departure orientations offered by your university or educational consultants. These sessions provide valuable information about what to expect and how to settle in. Segment 6, Tips for a smooth transition. Here are some final tips to help you transition smoothly to your new environment. Cultural adjustment. Be open-minded and respectful of the new culture. Learn about local customs, traditions, and social norms to help you adjust more easily. Engage with local students and participate in cultural events to integrate better into the community. Academic preparation. Familiarize yourself with the academic system and expectations at your new university. Be proactive in seeking help if you need it. Utilize campus resources like libraries, study groups, and academic advisors. Staying connected. Keep in touch with family and friends back home. Regular communication can provide emotional support and help you feel connected. Connect with other international students to share experiences and build a support network. Remember, studying abroad is a transformative experience, and with careful preparation, you can make the most of this exciting journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the international admission process, leave a comment below. Good luck with your applications and see you in the next video.